Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Joy Stephen from the Paulinsis Studios, and here is a case law video for the Student Herald, Siddiqui versus Canada. Case law is not meant for people interested to apply for permanent residence to Canada, but may be used by those who feel the system may not be fair or to gain an understanding of the recourse available in Canada for a negative decision. Content for this video is sourced from information distributed by Thomson Reuters. Judgment for this case is attached in my blog reportersreport.com as a PDF document. This is an immigration case law and includes topics like refugee status, requirements, credibility. Refugee claimant was citizen of Afghanistan who came to Canada via China and Dubai in 2013. Refugee claimant alleged his wife was in danger due to feud that arose with another family many years ago. Refugee claimant unsuccessfully applied for refugee protection. Refugee Protection Division, or the RPD, of the Immigration and Refugee Board found refugee claimant was not credible and had not established his identity. Refugee claimant obtained corrected translation of his Zakira card, which explained from interpreter. With explanation from interpreter. Refugee claimant also obtained his Afghan passport and 2 supporting letters. Refugee claimant commenced appeal to board's Refugee Appeals Division, or the RAD. Refugee claimant prepared affidavit noting that his nephew in Afghanistan had recently been shot and that his family has been receiving threatening letters. Refugee claimant applied pursuant to S1104 of Immigration and Refugee Protection Act of Canada to admit new evidence. RAD only allowed corrected translation and passport as new evidence and refused to conduct oral hearing. RAD upheld RPD's decision. Refugee claimant brought application for judicial review. Application was dismissed. RAD had not erred in refusing to admit new evidence or in declining to hold oral hearing. 1 letter was conceded not to be material, while another letter would not have impacted RAD's decision. Affidavit only provided speculative evidence as to who shot refugee claimant's nephew. RAD had no need to specifically address threatening letters. Oral hearing was not required since new evidence admitted by RAD was identity evidence and did not give rise to credibility issues. RAD had accepted refugee claimant's identity based on his new evidence. Several credibility findings made by RPD that were independent of refugees claimant's failure to establish his identity. Such credibility findings remained as alternative findings of RPD to be considered by RAD. Regardless of refugee claimant's identity, RPD found the refugee claimant had established neither feud nor serious risk to his life on forward-looking basis. New evidence did not raise serious issue regarding refugee claimant's credibility such that, if accepted, it would have justified allowing claim. RAD had independently assessed evidence and reasonably concluded refugee claimant had not established he was a convention refugee or person in need of protection. Very interesting case, Siddiqui versus Canada. It's dated August the 31st, 2015 from the Federal Court of Canada.